Welcome to Holywell Library. You can find us in Holywell Leisure Centre. We are open for you to come in, have a look around and choose some books. To keep everyone safe, we ask everyone to use hand sanitizer and we are cleaning regularly. We are also limiting the number of people in the library at one time, and we have a one-way system in place. Our friendly staff are here to help you. Come on in and we'll show you around. You will need to let us know your name and phone number for track and trace. You can order books through our Select and Collect service and collect them at the counter. Then, you can browse the shelves and choose some of our fantastic books. We have self-service machines, which are quick and easy to use when you have made your choice. Our staff are always happy to help you. We also have computers and printing facilities available. Once you have chosen your books, you can follow the one-way system out of the building. We hope you enjoyed your visit, and we hope to see you again soon.